Yes, good morning, students. Today we are going to have the grammar topic, that is determiners. You have already done this topic. There is nothing new for that, but still you need reminder for that, and we'll discuss all the important points in the determiners. You can see on the screen, you know what are determiners. Anyone who can unmute and answer me. Raise your hands. Yes, anyone who would like to tell what are determiners? Because you have already covered this topic in the previous classes. Arman Kapoor, Anshuman Srivastav or Ankit, roll number 33 in green. Please unmute yourself and tell me what are determiners.
Determiners are the words which help the noun in the sentence.
Yes, determiners are the words which determine the position of a noun. Okay, we can say that determiners are the words which determine the position of a noun. So, in other forms, we can say that those words in which we see that the noun is going to be followed, the word which is being followed by the noun, कि जब हम इन words को determiners को use करते हैं तो उससे हमें clear हो जाता है कि after the use of this word the noun is going to be followed. मतलब जब भी हम determiner लगाएंगे तो उसके पीछे noun जरूर आएगा. ठीक है, this is one identification. Then second thing, you can see on the screen what is written, like adjectives, determiners also qualify the nouns that follow. This is another definition for the determiners, that we can say that those words which qualify the noun, they are known as adjectives. And these determiners are also like adjectives. Okay, adjectives also qualify the noun or the pronoun, and determiners, just like adjectives, they also qualify the nouns that follow. मतलब जो noun उसके बाद आता है वो उसी को qualify करते हैं. Or we can say the determiners are those words which are followed by the nouns or which determines the position of a noun. You can see the second part. Determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make clear what the noun refers to. कि noun किस चीज को रेफर कर रहा है, noun किस चीज को क्वालिफाई कर रहा है, उस चीज को रेफर करने के लिए डिटर्मिनर्स जो हैं वो नाउन से पहले लगाए जाते हैं. या अगर हम कहें कि डिटर्मिनर के पीछे नाउन लगाया जाता है, दिस इज ऑल्सो वन एंड द सेम थिंग. कि या तो हम कहें कि जो डिटर्मिनर है वो नाउन से पहले आता है, या हम ये कह सकते हैं कि नाउन जो है वो डिटर्मिनर जो है वो नाउन से पहले आता है, या नाउन जो है वो डिटर्मिनर को फॉलो करता है. इट इज वन एंड द same thing. Clear? Now what are the examples of determiners? You can see the words given on the screen: the, an, a, this, my, your, a little, little, some, any, all, few, a few, less, fewer, each, every, etc. All these words are known as determiners. Now look at the examples of these sentences. Let's take these examples. Read the sentences. I ate an apple. The boy in the red shirt is my cousin. She does not have much money. There was little money in the house. I did not see any orange. I did not see any oranges in the market. That is their house. Every human being is unique. Now you can see in these sentences. Once again, read the sentences. Take 1 minute, read the sentences and think about the words which are given in the red. The words which are given in the red color. Please have reading of the sentences. I'm giving you 30 seconds. Quickly, all of you read the sentences from the screen and then think about the words given to you in the red. Clear? Now, I think you may understand that all these words given in red color and the, again the, my, much, little, the, any, there, every. All these words are determiners. What are these words? These words are determiners. So you can find out the noun that is being followed by these determiners. Once again, look at the words. Look at the words which are given in the red and the noun that is being followed by these words. An apple. Apple is the noun. The boy. Boy is the noun. The red shirt. Shirt is the noun. My cousin. Cousin is noun. Much money. Money is noun. Little money. Again money noun. The house. House noun. Any oranges. Oranges noun. Their house noun. Every human being as noun. So what we have seen from these examples, that all these words are followed by the noun. So these words which are given to you in the red are the determiners. They determine the position of the noun. हमें क्या पता चलता है कि इन words के बाद noun follow हो रहा है, कि जो भी word इसके बाद next आएगा वो noun है, या कह सकते हैं कि ये words जो हैं वो noun को qualify कर रहे हैं. They determine the position of the noun. So look at the next part. There are different types of determiners. We have different types, classes, or the types or the kinds of determiners. First is articles, in which you know that you have two types of articles, definite and indefinite articles. Second is demonstratives. Third one, quantifiers. Fourth one, possessive. Fifth, distributive. And sixth one, interrogative. It can be interrogative or interrogative, any way you can pronounce. These are the 6 types of determiners. Now let's go for the detail of these determiners. In the first part, we have articles, and we know that there are 2 types of articles, definite and indefinite article. Articles a and the indefinite articles a or an signal that the reference is non-specific or general. कि अगर हम a और an use करते हैं, it is either used for a singular object or for any non-specific of or general item or the thing or the person or place. दैट मीन्स किसी भी एक चीज को रेफर करता हो जो कि पर्टिकुलर नहीं है, नॉन स्पेसिफिक है या जनरल है, देन वी यूज आर्टिकल ए और एन. फॉर एग्जांपल, अ बॉक्स ऑफ चॉकलेट्स was eaten by Charles. It is not any particular box of chocolates. That means a box means any box of chocolates that is being talked about. The definite article the signals that the reference is specific. जब हम the article use करते हैं, it means we are talking about some particular or some specific thing. किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्टिकुलर प्लेस या पर्टिकुलर थिंग के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, जो कि एक खास चीज है, खास आदमी है या खास ही कोई प्लेस है जिसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं, देन वी यूज आर्टिकल द. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द विजिटर्स आर कमिंग, दैट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द विजिटर्स विच आर पर्टिकुलर, नॉट एनी जनरल. वी नो अबाउट देयर नेम्स, दीज आर द पर्टिकुलर विजिटर्स अबाउट विच वी आर टॉकिंग. Now let's go for the next part, that is demonstratives. Demonstrative determiners are the words this, that, these, those. 4 words are taken in demonstrative determiners, showing who or what is being referred to, means pointing towards something or someone. कि जब हम किसी चीज को या किसी पर्सन को पॉइंट आउट करते हैं, तो we point towards the thing or the person by showing, by demonstrating, हाथ करके या किसी तरीके से हम demonstrate करते हैं, show करते हैं, then we use these words. And you must know that this is used for singular subject or singular person or object when the thing is near, and that is used again for the thing that is far away. जब हमारे पास है चीज तो हम this use करते हैं सिंगुलर के लिए, अगर दूर है तो that use करेंगे. And if the things or the persons or the places are plural, then for the nearby things we use that, these, and for the far away we use those, these, those. This का plural है these और that का plural है those. So see the examples. These pairs of shoes are mine. These pairs of shoes ज्यादा हो गए, और कहाँ है, mine मेरे हैं, पास पड़े हैं, इसलिए these word use किया जा रहा है. जब हम अगर दूर पड़े हो तो क्या कहेंगे, those pair of shoes are mine. These और those का डिफरेंस देखिए, these means पास और प्लूरल है, और those means दूर है और अगेन प्लूरल है. Then I think that girl is their leader. I think that girl, that मतलब दूर खड़ी है, सिंगुलर है लेकिन दूर है. अगर मैं कहते I think this girl is their leader, this मतलब पास खड़ी है आपके. So these are the demonstrative words which are used as determiners. Next come to the interrogative question form. WH determiners, what, whose, which. The words which are used to ask questions are called interrogative determiners. But please note down, these words can be used in the other question form also. But what is your identification for the determiners? That WH word must be followed by the noun. डिटर्मिनर तभी होगा वो, अदरवाइज सिंपल सेंटेंस में भी WH क्वेश्चन फॉर्म हो सकती है, ठीक है. लेकिन हमारा WH वर्ड, इट विल वर्क एज ए डिटर्मिनर only if it is followed by some noun. So please look at the sentences. What style did you use in this handwriting? What style? Style is a noun. So determiner is being followed by the noun. It determines the position of a noun, जिससे हमें पता चलता है कि इसके बाद noun use होगा. Which way would you go? Which, whose pen is this? So all these WH words are followed by the noun, so they are used as determiners. It can be used otherwise also. If there is no noun followed by the WH word, then it is not used as determiner. So find out the difference clearly. Now come for the next slide. There are words quantifiers. Quantifiers means which tell us about the quantity of the thing, quantity of some object, quantity of some material. Few, much, most, some, any, more, many, a lot of, enough, little, a little. Used with a noun to show the amount of something. Amount means the quantity of something. किसी चीज की आप मात्रा बताते हो, 1 किलो है, 2 किलो है, 1 लीटर है, 2 लीटर है. These are the quantifiers जो हमें quantity बताते हैं, amount बताते हैं कि कितना amount में चीज है. Let's take some examples. Some students are not in their proper uniform. So in the quantifiers we have some determiners which tell us about the number also. They are called as numericals, numerical determiners. Quantifiers में ही हम इसी में अंडर एक और कैटेगरी ले लेते हैं, that is about the number. एक चीज है, हमें कुछ words हैं जो हमें quantity के बारे में बता रहे हैं, और कुछ वर्ड्स हैं जो हमें नंबर बता रहे हैं, ठीक है. So both are taken in the quantifiers. So in these examples you can see some students are not in their proper uniform. Some tells us about the number. We can count the students, they are countable. This is countable noun, some students. If you see any oranges in the market, please buy some for me. Again, any oranges, we can count the oranges, it tells us the number. Some for me, buy some for me, again some will tell us about the number. She does not have much money. Much money here tells about the amount or the quantity. Or it can also go for the number also, because we can count the notes also. अगर आप particular notes लिखा हो यहाँ पर 10 rupee note, 100 rupee note, then it can be for the number also. We have not got many books. Many books, again books can be counted. This is the referring to the number. There is a little milk left in the pot. A little milk. A little milk tells us about the quantity, not the number. मिल्क को हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते. We can measure it कि 1 लीटर है, हाफ लीटर है या 1 किलो है. तो this is only about the quantity. So in this we have two types of words. Some words tell us about the quantity and some tell us about the number. Next is the possessive determiners. Possessive determiners, the words which tell us about the possessiveness or the relation of one thing with the other, one person with the other, one place with the other. Possessive words are those words which tell us about the relation of one person to the other, one place to the other, or one thing to the other. The words my, your, his, her, are, their, its. All these words are possessive pronouns. A form of word that shows that something or someone belongs to someone means it shows possession. जो किसी चीज के साथ belongingness है किसी चीज की, मतलब आप कहते हो ये मेरी है, ये तुम्हारी है, ये उसकी है, ये उनकी है, ये हमारी है. तो ये सारे वर्ड्स क्या हैं? ये हमें पोजेसिव केस बताते हैं, हमारी बिलोंगिंगनेस बनाते हैं कि हमारा किस चीज के साथ या किसी पर्सन के साथ या किसी प्लेस के साथ हमारा रिलेशन है, हमारा संबंध है. ठीक है, दैट टेल्स अस अबाउट द possession. So look at the examples. My brother Rohit will celebrate his birthday tomorrow. What is the word here which tells us about the relation or the possession? My brother. My word tells us about the possession कि मेरा भाई. ठीक है. I will show you our new pet. Our new pet. The word which tells us about the relation our. I will show you our new pet. अपना हमारा जो नया पेट है वो दिखाऊंगा मैं आपको. That girl is their leader. That girl is their leader. उनकी लीडर है, वो लड़की उनकी लीडर है. ठीक है. There, note down the spellings of their, which is the pronoun of they. T-H-E-A-E-Y. they से जो pronoun बनता है उसके spelling T-H-E-I-R, not T-H-E-R-E, that is used as subject or object for some place. So here we are using the possessive of they. Clear? Now look at the next slide. Coming to the next part, the next type of determiner is distributives. Distributives through which we distribute the things, जिसमें हमें division के बारे में पता चलता है. The words used here are each, every, either, neither, or either, neither. Any pronunciation can be taken. Clear? A word referring singly without exception to the member of a group means, or these words show that the persons or the things are taken one at a time. कि क्या words हम use करते हैं? A word referring singly without exception to the member of a group. कि एक ग्रुप के जितने members हैं सबके लिए जब बात हो रही है individual way में, या हम क्या कहते हैं कि कोई भी पर्सन या कोई भी चीज जो एट ए टाइम वन बाय वन काम होता है, दैट इज यूज्ड फॉर थ्रू दीज वर्ड्स ईच, एवरी, ईदर, नीदर. ईच ऑफ यू कैन गो टू द मार्केट. दैट मीन्स फ्रॉम द ग्रुप ईच ऑफ यू, हर एक आप में से Every country expects loyalty from its people. That means it is expected from all the countries. You can leave by either door. Either door मतलब दो दरवाजे हैं, तो आप दोनों में से किसी दरवाजे से भी जा सकते हो. इसका मतलब ये होता है, you can use any door. You can leave by either door. मतलब दोनों में से किसी में से भी जा सकते हो. He looked at neither side of the door. Neither goes for the negative sense. He looked at neither side of the door, कि उसने दरवाजे की किसी साइड को नहीं देखा. Neither side, कोई साइड नहीं देखी. Either is for the positive and neither is for the negative. So these are the words which are used for the individuality. Okay, these are called as distributive determiners. Now look at the next. Again, there is a difference given, which should be before this slide. Difference among different quantifiers. That is again refers to quantity and number, as I have already discussed. Some, any, much, less, little, or little, the little. These words refer to quantity, measurement. Number के refer करते हैं जो word some, any, many, fewer, few, a few, and the few. Now, to get it more clear, let's take some examples. To express quantity, some is used in the affirmative sentences and any in the negative sentences. Please note down this thing, that to express quantity, if we want to tell about quantity, किसी चीज की भी quantity के बारे में बताना चाहते हैं, and if we are talking in the positive sense, affirmative sentences, we use some. If we are talking in the negative way, then we use any. For example, I have some milk, but I do not have any sugar. मिल्क है, कुछ मिल्क है, क्वांटिटी है कुछ मिल्क की, लेकिन शुगर नहीं है. नेगेटिव सेंस हो गई. सो एनी इज यूज्ड फॉर द नेगेटिव सेंस एंड सम इज यूज्ड फॉर द अफर्मेटिव सिंपल पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस. She bought some shoes but did not buy any dresses. Again, see, for the positive sense, for the affirmative sentences, for the quantity we are using some, and for negative sense we use any. She bought some shoes, उसने कुछ shoes खरीदे, but did not buy any dresses. लेकिन कोई dresses नहीं खरीदी. Negative sense हो गई. We are using any for negative, some for affirmative sentences. Some is used in the interrogative sentences when making polite requests. If we are requesting someone very politely, we use some for interrogative sentences also. Will you give me some sugar? It is in the form of a request. Then third is in conditional sentences. You have covered this topic also in the 8th class. Conditional sentences क्या होते हैं? When we start the sentence with if. Two clauses are combined with the help of conjunction if. And in the conditional sentences, we use any and some also. If there are any oranges in the market, please buy some. This is for the positive sense. कि अगर conditional sentences में हम any लगा रहे हैं, that gives the positive sense. कि अगर आपको market में कोई oranges मिलेंगे, तो you can buy. Use of any in the interrogative and negative sentences. Did you buy any stamps? In the question form also, any is used. Did you buy any stamps? I did not see any oranges in the market. That means in the negative also, any is used. Clear? This was the difference between some and any. Now go for the next, that is the difference between much and many. Much stands for quantity and many denotes number. See the examples. Were there many people watching the movie? Many, we can count the people. We can count the number of people present and watching the movie. She does not have much money. Money को हम count नहीं कर सकते. This is the quantity given. Then note down these important points. Words may be used instead of many. Many की जगह हम और कौन से words use कर सकते हैं, which can tell us about the number. A lot of, lots of, a good many, plenty, plenty of, a great number of. These words can be used instead of many. Then the words which can be used instead of much, a great deal of, a great deal a good deal of, a large quantity, a plenty of, and a lot of. Clear? Now come to the next, that is, be careful for this difference, little, a little, and the little. The same will be for few, a few, and the few, but the only difference is little is used for the quantity and few is used for the number. So please be careful while understanding this part. Little means hardly any or not much. इट हैज नेगेटिव मीनिंग. जब हम कहते हैं बिल्कुल नेग्लिजिबल, बहुत नाम मात्र जिसको कहा जाता है, दैट इज लिटल. जब हम ओनली लिटल वर्ड यूज कर रहे हैं, इट मीन्स ऑलमोस्ट गिविंग यू नेगेटिव सेंस. एग्जाम्पल, देयर वॉज लिटल दैट शी कुड डू टू हेल्प द पेशेंट. मतलब बहुत रेयर, बहुत कम ही हेल्प कर पाया, almost nothing. A little means when we use a before little, that means a little, some at least, matlab kuch matra, kuch quantity. It has affirmative meaning and it gives you positive sense. There is a little water in the bottle, so he can quench his thirst. मतलब थोड़ा सा पानी था और वो अपनी प्यास बुझा पाया. लेकिन पहले सेंटेंस में क्या है, मतलब बिल्कुल नहीं था. द लिटल मीन्स सम, और अगर हम द लिटल लेते हैं तो उसका मतलब कुछ. It can be used both positively and negatively. ये दोनों सेंस में यूज हो सकता है. And the little means the quantity whatever was required, जितनी जरूरत थी या जितना था पूरा का पूरा, इस मीनिंग में the little यूज किया जाता है. He wasted the little strength he had in being angry. कि जितनी भी स्ट्रेंथ उसमें थी उसने वो पूरी की पूरी वेस्ट कर दी एंग्री होकर. इट मीन्स दैट द स्ट्रेंथ दैट ही हैड वाज नॉट मच, कि बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेंथ नहीं थी. And whatever the strength he had, he all wasted that. जो भी strength थी उसने waste करी. If we go for the second sentence, we can use it in all the three. There is little water in the bottle that he cannot quench his thirst. मतलब इतना कम पानी था कि वो उसकी प्यास नहीं बुझी. There is a little water in the bottle so he can quench his thirst, कि थोड़ा सा पानी था कि उसकी प्यास बुझ गई. There the water, the little water in the bottle was not able to quench his thirst, कि जितना भी पानी था उसमें वो उसकी प्यास नहीं बुझा पाया. मतलब जितना भी पानी था उस बॉटल के अंदर, वो सारे के सारे के बारे में बात हो रही है. So little gives negative sense. A little means some at least, and the little means some but the whole number that was available or present. Now you can see from the picture, first glass that tells us about little means almost negative. Second, the a little, that means some quantity. And third means the little means jitna bhi pani tha bottle mein, that was used. Okay, coming to the next part, we are coming for few, a few and the few. The same meaning as we have for the little. Few means not many and has a negative meaning. Few tourists have gone to Kashmir this year because of terrorism there. Few here means giving the negative sense. बहुत कम, मतलब कोई एक आधा. A few means some at least. It has a positive meaning. और जब हम a few use करते हैं तो it means some, कुछ number. I have a few books left in my library. मेरे पास लाइब्रेरी में कुछ किताबें हैं. The few means not many. It has both positive and negative meanings. For example, he lost the few friends he had. पहली बात, बहुत कम friends थे, और the few means जितने भी थे वो उसने खो दिए. It means that the friends that he had were not many, and whatever the friends he had, he lost all of them. So few, few and the few is used for the number. Little, little and the little is used for the quantity for the same meaning. So both these words have same meaning. One is used for the number and the other is used for the quantity. You can see the example here. Again from the picture. Few, a few and the few. Jitne bhi oranges, yeah, whatever these fruit, this fruit is in the basket that was consumed. Coming to the next, see the difference of less and fewer. Less is used with reference to quantity and fewer with reference to number. Again, the same difference as we have done little and few, the same is less and fewer. Examples, I cannot buy less than 10 kilograms of rice. It tells us about the quantity. 10 किलो से कम राइस मैं नहीं खरीद सकता. No fewer than 2,000 people joined the strike. Here we can count the people, so it is telling us about the number, no fewer than 2000 people joined the strike, कि 2000 से कम लोगों ने स्ट्राइक को ज्वाइन नहीं किया था, मतलब इससे कम लोग नहीं होंगे, ज़्यादा ही होंगे, कहने का ये मतलब होता है, ठीक है। कमिंग to the end of this, now I hope that everything will be clear to you from these determiners. Still, if you have any problem, you can ask your queries, and if any doubt is there, you can ask your questions.